The NG sound is often mispronounced as N, especially in an ing position. Say these words.
Wing, wing.
Imagine that your hands are representing the articulators of speech. Your left hand is the roof of the mouth, your fingertips are the upper teeth, and your right hand is your tongue. Place the tip of your tongue against the alveolar ridge and say, when.
When.
Now your left hand is the floor of the mouth, your fingertips are the bottom teeth, and your right hand is your tongue. Put the tip of the tongue behind the bottom teeth, raise the back of the tongue until it touches the soft palate, and say k,
K.
g.
G.
Now raise the tongue again and say wing.
Wing.
Avoid the tendency to pull the entire tongue backwards, making a garbled sound. You can check yourself by taking the first inch of your little finger and hold the front and middle of your tongue down. Raise the back of the tongue and say, wing.
Wing.
Say the following words.
Strong. Bank. Dancing.
Now, say these sentences.
Strong winds blew during the thunderstorm. A tunnel ran along the riverbank. Dancing diminishes anxiety.
And so does knowing how to pronounce English. Let's repeat that. Here's the roof of your mouth. These are your upper teeth. And that's the alveolar ridge. Take the tip of your tongue and place it against the alveolar ridge and say, win. Now, here's the floor of your mouth. Here are your bottom teeth. Place the tip of the tongue against your bottom teeth and raise the back of the tongue as you would for k, g. Raise the back of the tongue, wing. Remember, don't let your tongue pull backwards in your mouth for the NG. You can check yourself by taking the tip of your little finger and holding the front and middle of your tongue down. Wing. Great. Let's continue.